Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nougat candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You'll need about 100 grams of marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 cup of nuts, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, prepare a 9 by 9 inch pan by lining it with parchment paper and lightly greasing it. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's create our nougat base. Combine 100 grams of marshmallows with 2 tablespoons of water in a microwave-safe bowl or a double boiler. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. For a double boiler, stir continuously over simmering water. The goal is a perfectly smooth, glossy mixture, free of any lumps. This step is crucial for a creamy nougat texture. With your marshmallow base ready, it's time to add the delicious extras. Quickly fold in 1 cup of your favorite toasted nuts, like almonds or pistachios, for that satisfying crunch. Also, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give your nougat a wonderful, classic flavor. Remember, the mixture will start to stiffen as it cools, so work efficiently to ensure everything is evenly distributed throughout. Finally, transfer the warm nougat mixture into your prepared 9 by 9 inch pan. Use a greased spatula or your hands to press it down firmly and evenly. Once smooth, place the pan in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours or until it's completely firm. Then, using a sharp, lightly oiled knife, cut your nougat into delightful 1-inch squares. Enjoy your homemade, chewy treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.